Welcome back to Cooking with Jael. Today we're going to be making watermelon popsicles. Our ingredients today are chopped watermelon, yogurt, honey, and the doggy silicones. Now we are going to put the watermelon in the bowl and smush it. Now we're going to add our yogurt and honey into our bowl that we have our watermelon in. Then we're going to mix it together. At the end, we have a special guest. It's my dog, Caesar. Now we're going to put the doggy treats in the freezer for 3 hours. Now we're going to let my dog taste it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe the Russell Way and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bye! See you next time!